This is the Old Guy Network.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the old guy, the OG, Jay, and you know who you are. Well, at least you should. Well, I don't know what day this is. This is day 10. Yeah, this is day 10 already of a 14-day rehab build on the trailer. So I'm pretty excited. The floors went down pretty nice yesterday. I can't finish them. I've gone all the way up to the hallway, but I can't finish it until the HVAC guy gets there today and checks out the furnace, make sure that everything's running well. We've got the oil in, so got to have that done, and I don't want to do the floors until they come in. I'm not sure who that's going to be. It could be one of two people. It could either be the OG in training, that's Zane, or it could be another OG in training who's a good friend of mine. His name's Matt. Both HVAC guys, both really good at their jobs. Kind of the same person, really. They're very much alike. But one of them hopefully will show up today and take care of that. So that will be great. I've been putting in a lot of long hours and getting to bed later and later, but I've been waking up earlier and earlier, and that kind of bothers me a little bit. So I'm trying to wake up this morning. It's about 6:30 right now, and I got my coffee. I do have my coffee. I want to thank everybody that's gone to my coffee page and bought me a cup of coffee. I really appreciate it. It helps out the channel like you wouldn't believe. It takes a lot of effort to do these videos, especially when I'm working so much. The more I work, the less time I have for the video. So thank you so much for doing that. If you haven't done that and you'd like to, there is a link in the description. Just go to my coffee page, a couple dollars, buys me a cup of coffee, and just makes my day a whole lot better. And you'll feel good about it too, I'm sure. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get on over to the trailer. Let's magically go there through the YouTubes, and well, I'll see you there in a second. Well, here we are again. Only now, look at this. Floor. Right into the hallway, more floor. Look at that, the floor just goes on forever. Isn't that beautiful? We'll put a transition piece in here, and transition pieces going into the other rooms. That's gonna look beautiful. I love this floor. And these are some corner pieces that I made that'll go up against, don't get them in focus, go up against the wall once they're all sanded and made uniform and painted white. And over here, I just put up some masonite on the step, and then we're going to use what we have left over for the floor. We'll use that for the fascia. And then we're going to do the floor in the kitchen. And we're going to put tile over this, so when people come in and they have mud on their feet or on their shoes, they can it won't rot out the floor like it did last time. So this will be nice. I love this floor. The floor is all in, and what else did I get done? All kinds of crap. Little stuff that adds up. And I got the fascia done down there. Well, I haven't got it done. I got it started. And what else? I did some more spot painting, and we got the furnace 100% operational. We needed somebody to come back and bleed the lines and make sure everything was all set, and because we just got oil. And today it wasn't Zane who showed up. It was actually Matt, another old guy in training. I've known Matt a little longer than I've known Zane. Oh, actually quite a bit longer. Does a great job, and he took care of it, but didn't have any more time because I showed him what we need done for the water heater, and he said he just didn't have time to come back, not in the time frame that we have. So he's not coming back. I guess Zane's not coming back. So we got HVAC guy number 3, and his name is Ryan. And Ryan was here, and he took a look at it, said, oh, this is a piece of cake. I'll get the tools that you need, the materials that you need.
You just pull out the water heater and he'll take care of it. Then I can repair the floor. And yeah, so how many HVAC guys does it take to get this trailer operational? Apparently it takes 3. Yeah, but it'll be done, and that will be nice. So Miranda was supposed to be here today. She has not showed up. I don't know what happened. Her sister was here for a little while, but she wasn't here. And I don't know where she is. She was supposed to come in and clean the bathroom. Maybe that kind of scared her away, because that bathroom is not in good shape. But I'm here for a little bit longer. I will break 100 hours today, and when I do that, then I'm gone. I'm gone home for the rest of the day. We'll start over again tomorrow with day 11, and probably the next 100 hours right now. It can only be about 40 hours, I think. I got another 40 hours in this. I can do that in 4 days. So, yeah, that's where we are. And that's what it looks like after you put the floor down. You got lots of garbage. So we did pretty good. We have a little bit left, less than 1 box. So I did estimate a little high, but I would rather do that than estimate low and then go back and they don't have the flooring. So at least whoever buys the trailer will get a little bit of flooring left over just in case something gets damaged. They'll be able to replace it. So that's kind of nice. Wow, wish Miranda or somebody else was here to clean up all this, but I guess that job falls on me, so I'm going to take care of that. And after I get that done, I'll have my 100 hours in for this 10 days, and that's enough for now. I'm going to go home and relax, play with the dog and the cat, and yeah, that's about it. Maybe I'll even buy a beer and a cigar and just enjoy myself on this beautiful day.
Well, there you have 100 hours in 10 days. For me, I'm pretty happy about that. I really am, because I'm in better shape than I thought. Because, yeah, I'm a little bit sore, but not too bad. I haven't put in that many hours in quite a while. So we'll start again tomorrow, and it's a brand new week, and wow, at least another 40 hours for me, and we'll see who shows up next week, because now people are starting to go to school, they're starting new jobs, they're starting doing all kinds of stuff, so they're not available as much as they were before. So, you know, that's just the way it is, but fortunately for me, there's not as much left to do, so that's really good. Miranda, I did hear back from her, and she just couldn't make it over there today. She had too much stuff to do. She's also taking some classes. She's going to be starting a new job, and her boyfriend is starting a new job, or will be starting a new job very, very shortly. So today wasn't good for her, and that's fine. I mean, she's been there almost every day since I started this thing, so she deserves a little break. Don't we all? And as far as Zane, I don't know. I haven't seen him. Don't know. And Matt, thank you very much for showing up today and taking care of the furnace. Did a great job. You always do. And I appreciate it. I wish you had a little bit more time, but you didn't. And that brings us to Ryan, who is, let's see if I got this right, Miranda's sister's boyfriend. So, man, if it wasn't for these girls' boyfriends and my next door neighbor, and none of this stuff would have got done. So 3 HVAC guys, 1 furnace, and 1 water heater. So, and it's a water heater. It's not a hot water heater. Stop calling it that. You don't have to heat hot water. It's a water heater. Okay? All right. Glad we got that straight. Tomorrow, my plans are to clean up as much of the debris as I can, get the floor all nice and swept up, and get it all nice and clean, get the kitchen floor ready to be done. We got to put a floor down on that, but that's just tile. It's not a big deal. It's I don't know. It's something that will take me a few hours maybe, but it won't be so bad. And a bunch of other stuff that I got to get done. And I also have to dismantle the water heater and get that ready for Ryan to come over and do his thing. And we'll just keep going. Biggest thing though I got to have Miranda do is get that bathroom cleaned out. And we got to get the washer and dryer out of there as well, just so I can get to the floor in there. We can get to the painting. We can make everything look a little fresher than it does. The bathroom is what it is. It's a small bathroom with a washer and dryer in it, so there's not a whole lot of room. I wish I could make it bigger, but I can't. But we'll make it as good as we can. I'll do the best that I can. But that's about it. And it's been 100 hours. Wow. Seems like I just started this thing a couple of days ago, but it's coming along nice, and I'm pretty happy with it so far. And I talked to my partner today. He actually stopped over and took a look around and thought everything was looking pretty good. And I talked to some more of the neighbors. They've been telling their friends of what we're doing. And my neighbor, Bob, I think his name was, Bob, is a good old guy. He came over. He's an old guy like me, and he came over and talked, and he says, I got a friend who's looking for a mobile home, and he wants to live in this park. So he's going to send his friend over, and I told Bob that we're probably going to have a big barbecue or something at the end of this, and have like an open house. And I told him he can certainly come over, and his friend can come over and take a look at the trailer. So who knows? Got some leads already. And Kevin Belrose, he's working hard getting a new sign ready for us. We're going to have that out in no time. And he's going to be doing some advertising. And it's all starting to come together. So it's nice. And I thank you very much for coming along on this little journey with us. If you're just starting and you haven't seen all the videos, well, just go back. They're all on the YouTube page, right? Just, my YouTube channel. Just go back a little ways. Start with day one. And it's pretty interesting. So we got at least 4 more days. I want to get this done in 4 days. So 4 more days. So you can look forward to 4 more videos. That's going to do it for today. I'm going to get some rest. I'm going to go play with the dog and the cat and just relax for a little bit. And then we'll start it all over again tomorrow. So for the Old Guy Network, I'm the old guy, and I'm out.